Over the last decade, aurora sightings in Stockholm have been very, very rare. But this year, it is quite different because the northern lights splash the skies of Stockholm in its full glory. On the 26th and 27th day of February, the skies of Stockholm were fitted with an amazing spectacle. Thanks to clear skies coupled with a very high KP index, people all over Sweden, not just in Stockholm, witnessed this magnificent atmospheric phenomenon. We just arrived in Sweden last August 2022, and this is one of the things we looked forward to when we decided to move in this beautiful and amazing country. But seeing the Aurora Borealis this early is something that we didn't expect. We were ready to wait for a long period of time before we could see this, but we guess that the odds favored us and the skies treated us with this amazing and beautiful atmospheric phenomenon. This is one for the books, and we will not forget how we felt when we experienced the beauty of the Aurora Borealis.